Hello everyone, and you're welcome to our PICO-8 game. In this course, what we're going to do is to start from scratch. We'll build the game you're actually seeing on your screen right now. It's a classic snake game where we eat a couple of random fruits that are spawning on the screen. And each fruit we eat, we're actually going to spawn and create or increase the score. We're also going to create our game UI, including menus. We're going to code everything from scratch, from writing the scripts, down to creating the sprite assets, the background assets we'll use to build our simple game level, and also down to creating some very simple sound effects like that. So let's jump into the course. We have a lot to learn. We're going to learn about game loops, functions, variables, using tables, all with the Lua scripting language. So why not join me and let's learn how we can build this snake game using Pico 8. See you guys in the course.